Okay, my bedroom is finally finished. I'm so happy. I'm so obsessed with my bedroom now because I don't know, it's just the way I always dream of this bedroom. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show you. Even though you already saw most of it, but you didn't see it everything, so I wanted to show you the rest. And I know my previous bedroom videos, it was in Spanish, but I don't know, I just wanted to make this one in English because why not? This is my channel. My channel is bilingual. I speak English, I speak Spanish, I speak Spanglish, I am bilingual. So this is what I do to be fair with all of you. Some of you don't understand Spanish, some of you don't understand English, and it's kind of hard to translate into both languages. So sometimes I just want to film in English, sometimes I just want to film in Spanish. So this time I wanted to film in English, and I'm sorry for the ones that don't understand, especially my family. I'm so sorry, but there will be coming more Spanish videos as in English too. So, and for those who fully understand English, I hope you enjoy this video. Well, I just got these accent cabinet. I got it from Nebraska Furniture Mart, and this was my favorite from all the ones that they have. Why? Because it's the very good quality, and for the price, I was taking a very good quality piece of furniture, and it was almost half of the price of the regular price. So I wanted to go for that big of a deal. Other thing why I went for this furniture cabinet, I was because the size, the length was the perfect one for that little spot. And I saw another ones that I really liked too, but they were too long, too long, that I was not gonna be able to put it right there. It was gonna be too big, and I don't know. I just this was the perfect cabinet, accent cabinet for my bedroom. I am so excited because finally I'm done with my bedroom. It took me forever, like really forever, and I got this very cute Keurig, and you can use only K cups. This mini Keurig, I got it from Target, and it's so cute. It's pink. It's my favorite color. It's so cute. And I have this pineapple with the K cups for the Keurig, and I have these that these are some DIYs that I do for TikTok. I just purchased these knobs from Marshalls, and then I just glue them here. These are candle containers from Bath and Body Works, and I just thought that it was a good idea to put the sugar inside and the coffee beans, which I am not gonna use those coffee beans. They're just for decor, but the sugar I'm gonna use it. Because why I'm not gonna use these coffee beans? Because these cute Keurig, it's only for K cups, so I can only put K cups in there here. And I just made a coffee. And I have this nice marble tray with my initial, and I have my mug here as a display with my initial as well. And I have this little golden tray, and I have a candle going on here, and I put this knob actually to this candle. And I have this elephant, this gold elephant with some ginger and lemon tea bags, and I have this ginger jar just for decor that doesn't have anything inside. And what do I have inside the cabinet? I have this nothing, only a book and just a piece of decor. And I have here two mugs, and the waters are gonna be here, so those are the ones I'm gonna use for the Keurig. And I have some pecans, and that's it. I'm planning to buy a mini fridge, portable mini fridge, pink actually as well. But Tony was telling me that probably I'm not gonna be able to put it in here because it runs in heat or something like that. So I don't know, we'll see. But I am going to purchase the fridge, but if I cannot put it in here, I'm going to put it in my bathroom, which is just right here next door. So that's it. This is the new thing for my bedroom. And my idea was to make this bedroom, my bedroom, to feel like a hotel room. That was my entire idea from the beginning. And I just did. As you can see, I have the sofa like a hotel room, a lamp, the mirror, and I don't know. It's just, and I have this cabinet with the coffee maker and the TV and everything, everything for me. I was inspired by a hotel room. This is a 5 stars hotel room for me. So I'm so happy that I have my bedroom done. So the TV, it's here finally. And many of you ask me in my stories, in my Instagram stories, that why do I have my the TV on the side of my bed? I don't know. I don't like to watch the TV in front of the bed, but that's just me. That's, I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable watching the TV sitting right there and watching the TV right there. Besides, I can sit over here and watch the TV from here in my sofa and enjoy the TV. And I don't know, and I can use my computer over here. And I don't know, just and besides that, my husband and I, we don't watch TV here like a lot because we just don't like it, and we watch our shows and our movies in the family room or in the living room or in the game room, anywhere but here. So that's why. And my husband told me you can do whatever you want with this bedroom because it's it's yours. And that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys learn something from me, or that you get any idea for your house, for your bedroom, I don't know, for your coffee station, whatever. So this is just for you to get inspired by me. I hope I am meeting my goal to inspire you in any way. That's all I want to do with my videos. Inspire any of you, or all of you, or at least one person. That's why I'm doing these videos. So just thank you so much for watching my videos, for support me, and I see you on my next video. Bye.